Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I hope you are all in a good health and you are all studying with full focus. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to start a new chapter from the book Ganit Prakash of class 10. This is chapter 4. Rectangular, parallelepiped or cuboid. Let us first discuss about the shape of a rectangular parallelepiped. So you can call it rectangular parallelepiped or you can call it a cuboid. So cuboid is actually a 3D figure and this is similar to a cube, but in this case the dimensions are different. That means when we discussed about a cube, we said a cube is a 3D figure where its three dimensions are equal. That means the length, the breadth and the height, these three things are equal. Length equal to breadth equal to height. It is bounded by 6 equal surfaces. 4 walls, 1 ceiling and 1 floor. Now today we are going to discuss about a cuboid, which is also a 3D figure. But its dimensions are different. That means, let us say this is the length, this is breadth and height. So length, breadth and height, these things, three things are not equal. Length is not equal to breadth, which is not equal to height. Generally these three dimensions are different. So it also has 6 surfaces. Each surface is a rectangle and its area is equal to its opposite surface. So area of floor is equal to area of ceiling, which is equal to L into B. So two surfaces which are facing each other are equal in area. Area of front and back wall area of front wall is equal to area of back wall. So this area is, we are talking about this area and the back wall. This area is length into height. Area of right wall equal to area of left wall equal to this wall. This is breadth into height. Okay. So if we talk about the total area, we have 6 surfaces. So total area, therefore we can say, therefore the total area is equal to the area of ceiling plus floor, so that is twice of L into B. Okay, twice of L into B plus the area of front wall and back wall, so 2 times length into H plus area of right wall and left wall. So 2 times breadth into height. So this is our total area. If we take 2 common, then within bracket we have LB plus BH plus HL. So this is our formula of total surface area. I hope it is clear to you up to this point. So if the question says area of walls, I am talking about cuboid. Okay, I am not talking about cube. Area of walls of the cuboid will be front wall, back wall, that means 2 into L into H, plus right wall and left wall, that means 2 into B into H. So if we take 2H common, we have L plus B within bracket. So this is the area of 4 walls. If the question says area of floor and ceiling, it is equal to 2 into L into B. Okay, so these are our 3 formulae. Now are perpendicular to each other. Okay, adjacent surfaces are perpendicular to each other. This is our parallelepiped. The line segments AB, GB, GH, GHA, these line segments are called edges. The intersecting line segment of two surfaces is called edge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. The meeting point of two edges is called a vertex. Okay. A cuboid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. These things are similar to a cube, where length, breadth, and height, these three things are equal. Let us assume this is length A, this is also A, and this is also A. A. Therefore, each surface has an area equal to side into side. So this is a square. Each surface is a square. So the area of a square is side into side. That means A square. And the total surface area equal to 6 surfaces, that means 6 into a square. It also has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now, when we join the opposite vertices of a room, that is, okay, let us assume this is a room. Now, if we join the opposite vertices of a room, E and B are opposite corners. So, when we join the opposite corners, it gives us a diagonal. So, EB is a diagonal. Similarly, if we join GD, this is also a diagonal, joining two opposite corners. Similarly, we can join HC and AF. So we have actually 4 diagonals. Length of each diagonal is equal to root over length square plus breadth square plus height square. So this is another formula that we are going to use. And the length of a diagonal also gives us a length which is maximum placed inside a room which is a cuboid. That means if we are asked to place a stick or a rod of maximum length inside a room which is a cuboid, then that length, that maximum length that we can accommodate inside a room is the length of a diagonal. Okay, so we have four diagonals. Now, in case of cube, we also get four diagonals of equal length. Length of each diagonal is equal to root 3 into a. So you need to remember this also. Now, volume of a parallelepiped or a cuboid is equal to volume of a cuboid or parallelepiped. This is equal to length into breadth into height. So this is another formula you need to remember. Volume of a cube is equal to a cube. Okay. Now let us solve one or two applications before starting the chapter. Application 16 says if the area of one surface of a cube be 4 times than that of another cube, then how many times will be the volume of the first cube than that of the second cube. So Let the length of one side of the first cube is A. Therefore, its area is equal to A square, and the length of one side of the second cube B. Okay, we have assumed that the length of one side of first cube is A unit, and the length of one side of second cube B unit. Therefore, area equal to B square unit okay. So if the side is A, then the area will be A square, and if the side is B, then the area will be B square. Now, according to our condition, they are saying that the area of one surface of cube be 4 times more than that of another cube. Okay, so area of this cube, first cube, is 4 times the area of one side of second cube. So this is our given condition. Okay, now let us draw these two cubes. First one is the bigger cube, and second one is the smaller cube. First cube has sides of length A, and the second cube has sides of length B. Now it is said that the area of first cube, the area of one surface, let us assume this surface, the area of one surface of the first cube is 4 times the area of one surface, let us assume this surface. Okay, the area of one surface of the first cube is 4 times more than that of another cube. So the area of this surface is actually 4 times the area of this surface. This is what we are getting. Now from this we can say a square by b square is equal to 4. So a by b is equal to 2, and a by a cube by b cube is equal to 8. This is actually the volume of, this is actually the ratio of the volumes of two cubes. So we can say this is 8 by 1. So I hope this part is visible to you. This is given. Now we are taking b square to the left side and taking square root to both sides of the equation. It gives us a by b equal to 2. Now if we cube both sides of this equation, we are getting a cube by b cube equal to 8 by 1. So this is actually the ratio of volumes of these two cubes. So v1 by v2 is equal to 8 by 1. So this is our answer. First cube is 8, the volume of first cube is 8 times that of the second cube. I hope it is visible. Now friends, let us proceed to our next question. Application 17 says the length and breadth of a cuboidal water land in neighboring village are 18 meter and 11 meter. So let us assume this is our cuboidal water land, length 18 meter, breadth 11 meter respectively. In this water land, water is being irrigated from a nearby pond with a pump. So let us assume this is a pipe which is bringing water into the cuboidal land. If the pump can irrigate 39,600 liter of water per hour, then for how much time is required to raise the height of water level? So the level of water is rising continuously and it must reach a height of 3.5 decimeter. Let us write by calculating it. So how much time is required, we have to write. Let us convert it into decimeter, and 11 meter into decimeter. Okay. Now the volume of the water needed to be filled volume of water needed to reach this height is equal to 180 into 110 into 3.5 dcm cube. And 1 decimeter cube matlab 1 liter. That means 180 into 110 into 3.5 liter. Now to fill 39,600 liter, the pump takes 1 hour. Therefore, to fill 1 liter, the pump takes 1 by 39,600 hour. Therefore, to fill 180 into 110 into 3.5 liter, the pump takes this much time. One whole 3 by 4 hour, or we can say 1 hour 45 minutes. I hope you have understood the solution. Now let us proceed to next question. Now friends, now look at application 19, which says from a wooden log. This is our wooden log which has a length of 4 meter, that means 40 decimeter, breadth 5 decimeter and thickness 3 decimeter. From this we are cutting out 40 planks. Planks means wooden sheets. So we are cutting 40 planks from this block, and the length of each plank is 2 meter, that means 20 decimeter. And let us assume this is our wooden plank. The length of it is 20 decimeter, the breadth of it is 2 decimeter, and let us assume its thickness is x decimeter. Okay, so 40 such planks are cut out, and because of this cleaving work 2% wood has been destroyed, has been wasted. But still, after this cleaving work, we are having 108 decimeter cube of wood left in this log. So this much wood is still left. Now we need to calculate the thickness of each plank. Now friends, let us first determine the volume of the wooden log. Volume of wooden log equal to 40 into 5 into 3 dcm cube. So this is 600 dcm cube. I hope this is clear. Volume of this bigger log. Now volume of each plank. Okay, before determining that, let us first write the amount of wasted the amount of wastage. Okay, the volume of wasted wood, that is 2% of the total volume, that means 2 by 100 into 600 dcm cube. So this much wood has been wasted. (12 dcm cube). Okay, now volume of wooden plank is equal to length, that means 20, into breadth, that means 2, into x dcm cube, that means 40x dcm cube. Now remaining wood, volume remaining is equal to 108 dcm cube. So the total wood, that means 600, must be equal to the volume of these three parts. First part is 40 wooden planks, that means 40 into 40x, plus volume of wasted wood, that means 12 dcm cube, plus volume of remaining wood, that means 108. So if we add these three terms, we are getting 600. Now we need to solve x. So it is 600 minus 120 equal to 1600x. So x equal to 480 by 1600 dcm. If we convert it into centimeter, it becomes 4800 by 1600 centimeter. So 4 centimeter is our answer. I hope you have understood it. If you have any question or doubt, you can leave that in the comment section. I shall definitely try to answer. And if you liked my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We shall come with another video where we shall be discussing about rest of this chapter. Thank you, friends.